So again, just from a terminology perspective, the goal here is to develop something called a functional cure for HIV. And I think it's worth taking a second just to define, what we mean by a functional cure, and that is that it's the control of HIV replication in the absence of antiretroviral therapy, in the absence of drugs, via arming the immune system. In other words, providing an HIV-resistant compartment that will allow the patient's own immune system to control HIV replication. What it does not mean is elimination or complete eradication of HIV. So the patient may remain with detectable HIV, but it's under sufficient control that the signs and symptoms of the infection are abated. And that's in contrast to a sterilizing cure, in which one might imagine the complete eradication of the virus from every cell and all tissues of the body, which of course requires the total elimination of the viral reservoir, which I've described as being the collection of cells and tissues that harbor the virus, HIV, integrated into their genome. Obviously, this is a much more challenging task, simply because of the number of potential cells and the sites of the reservoir existing in the patient. And so our goal is to develop a functional cure for HIV. And the way I think about this is that the goal really is to turn HIV into any other type of viral infection that the body successfully controls, such as a CMV infection or an HSV infection, in which the virus, in both of those cases, may never disappear from the patient, but the process of the infection is under immune surveillance and is under control, and the patient essentially is unaware of their sort of positive status, if you will. The immune system is completely controlling that infection.